I was just listening to a Jay Shetty podcast, his last episode with Mel Robbins. By the way, amazing one. Totally go and listen to it. But I absolutely love when they were talking about confidence and the differences between men and women. And I thought that this is kind of like a well-known fact, but the truth is, I'm in that sphere, right? I'm a recruiter, so I really see that very often. Men tend to apply when they are like 50-60% match for a job, and women, when they are only like 80%, they're thinking like, I'm not 100%, I shouldn't apply. And I absolutely loved what Mel said. Job description is not requirements, this is a wish list. Oh my God, love it. As a recruiter, I love it. First of all, you have to think about who often writes the job description. Very often it's the hiring managers, and they are looking for that perfect unicorn person. These people are not always existing, to be honest. So we as a recruiter, we're trying to give them some feedback, but very often we cannot be specialists in each position. So we might not know all the stuff. So we are trying to find that one person, and we're kind of hoping that you are actually going to apply. So please apply for the damn job right now. Apply now. And for the people at the back who didn't hear me, apply now.